Welcome! In this short lesson, we'll master two ideas. First, what are the two basic sources of stockholders' equity? Second, on which date does a cash dividend become a binding legal obligation? Question 1. The two basic sources of stockholders' equity are blank. Option A, common stock and bonds. Option B, common stock and preferred stock. Option C, paid in capital and retained earnings. Option D, no par and stated value stock. Let's visualize equity to build intuition, then we'll answer. Stockholders' equity comes from two places. 1. Paid in capital. Money owners contributed when shares were issued. 2. Retained earnings. Profits the company kept and did not pay out as dividends. Together, these form total stockholders' equity. So, the two basic sources are paid in capital and retained earnings. The correct answer is option C. Now for dividends. When a company pays a cash dividend, three dates matter. 1. Declaration date, when the board declares the dividend. 2. Date of record, which identifies who will receive it. 3. Payment date, when cash is actually paid. The dividend becomes a binding legal obligation on the declaration date. Think of it like this. Once declared, the company owes the dividend, creating a liability called dividends payable. On the date of record, there is no journal entry. It simply determines which shareholders are entitled to receive the dividend. On the payment date, the company pays out cash and removes the liability. Debit dividends payable and credit cash. Second question. The date on which a cash dividend becomes a binding legal obligation is which one? Option A, declaration date. Option B, date of record. Option C, payment date. Option D, last day of the fiscal year end. The correct answer is option A, declaration date. Summary. Stockholders' equity equals paid in capital plus retained earnings, and dividends become a legal obligation on the declaration date. Great work!